I always like to please a customer, but at the same time, I advise my customers that first class work takes a certain length of time. I can be hurried to some extent, but after that it will be spoiled by essay. I am sorry to say that a great deal of the trouble we have had with our customers has been caused to a great extent by trying to do in a day or to what should be done in a week or two. That is to say, hassle and waste go hand in hand. Next para, once in a while, it may be possible to rush a job without spoiling it, but as a rule, it is out of the question. Customers do not realize truth of this statement. Next para, yours faithfully.